Hi, today I'd like to discuss my future software developments for my platform Selective Apps over the next summer and winter of 2019 leading into 2020. I've decided to focus primarily on creating a JSON database system that does not require an operating system level install of custom software, meaning it'll run on pure Apache plus PHP as a programming language. Apache is already portable to every operating system known to man, and PHP pretty much as well. So my database system will not only be called FolderDB to separate it from the JSON language, which is ASCII only, Western keywords only, but it'll support Unicode as well. Um, and the good news is I'm gonna LGPL or RGPL the entire thing for free to the entire world. RGPL is a combination of the licenses GPL and LGPL. It stands for Rights GNU Protective License. I've yet to type all this in because currently I'm away from my home, which is also the reason why selectiveapps.com is currently down, but it will all get fixed. I have absolute certainty of that. It will all get fixed within 2 to 3 months for sure, maybe 1 to 2 months. After that, I can start development of this new extra repository on both gitlab.com and github.com, for which I'll also get an account. At one point I switched from GitHub to GitLab because an internet news article said the license at GitHub is about to change due to Microsoft taking it over, but it turns out that I like both the licenses as they are now on GitLab and GitHub, so my source codes will be published on both platforms. Let's see. I have the flowcharts for the entire thing ready, meaning I could start to type code right now, but unfortunately I don't even have access to a laptop at the moment. I hope to have access to my old Windows laptop pretty soon again, so that I can test also on Windows. But yeah, that's as much as I want to say about that. Back to FolderDB and what it can do for the world. Well, it's going to decrease the amount of software that you need above the operating system level and in between the apps level, the apps platform level rather, and the operating system, down to just Apache, PHP, and hardware. And I think that's a good thing, of course. That's why I've decided to make it my first real open source project. And I might soon also upload the initial design flowcharts for this system so that others can work on it in other programming languages than PHP. Or if they want, in a programming language called PHP, but please do not register the repository name or the software name FolderDB. because I came up with it years ago, and now I finally have the means to turn it into reality and give it away for free to the world. RGPL, by the way, is going to say that anyone can use it, also for business purposes, with the right to expect to be paid according to every national law that applies to being paid for your work. But criminal organizations will not be allowed to use RGPL software, at least not legally. Sorry guys and girls. That's it for now. Uploading this to Facebook and maybe to YouTube as well.